Pandas, I am such a noob. I was wondering what's my chat doing. Pandas, I'm sorry. Let me say good morning to a couple of you guys. Sweat Row, good morning. North Fork, good morning. I'm just so focused at the open that sorry, I'm not reading chat. Turtle Toes, good morning. Sherman, good morning. Sweat Row, welcome. Omar, good morning. YL, good morning. Heisenberg, welcome. Ashraf, good morning. Good morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for telling me I'm muted. I wish you guys could somehow like ping me or something. Like Discord, you know? Throw chat in the Discord or something. Pandas. What I was saying is this, we're at the top of a trading range. Hard for me to go long here, but we could break out. Daily chart, bull bar ending on a tie. Plenty of reason to think this could be another bull trend day today for always in long trading. Sure, why not? I've seen crazier things. But currently the 5-minute bar is a complete doji bar. So it's confusion. Confusion the first bar. Not sure what's happening here. Good morning, guys. Hope everyone's having an amazing day. But pandas, my counts are struggling. My top account, the very top account on the list of accounts, some reason some of my accounts are different, but the top account is 1,500 away from busting, and some of my other accounts are 2,500 away. So it's a little precarious situation we're in. I'm gonna need thoughts and prayers, pandas. But I tell you what, just give me one day of good price action, and I can make this all back. It doesn't even matter. I just need that one day, pandas. That one day of good price action, and we will be back. Easy peasy. I just need that one day. I mean, we've had so many days of absolute trash price action. Like, we're going to have at least one good day, right? And what I was saying about yesterday is, even though it was basically a bull trend all day, it's not like a day where you can just buy and just, it's not as easy as it looks. For example, yesterday, for this situation here, if I have turned this channel sideways, the channel would be like this big. It would be like this big. From top to bottom, it's about 10 points. Barely can scalp. It's a tight channel. So it's not easy to trade, actually. Just as if it was sideways, you would never trade that. A tight trading range. And so, because of that, it was actually very difficult. Fails like entry long, I'll try. Thinking we're on top of a trading range. And today, we probably traded just one contract. I got to create a little more buffer for my account so I can take better trades, or I can take bigger trades. But right now, the buffer is so small. It's just I only have 1.5K of buffer left. So we're going to trade one contract each. And hopefully, we can get some space today. Like today, I want to focus on just making some space in my accounts. Like I need $1,000, $2,000 a day. That's all I'm looking for. Second entry long, but confusing. It's a bad signal bar to go short, and it's completely overlapping bars. How much is this risk? 15-point risk. It's a lot of risk as well. The complete overlapping bars is throwing me off. It makes me not want to go short here. Plus, you got this trend line in the way. I'm telling you, like the next trade I enter, like it needs to be like the best trade ever. Like I have very little drawdown left, so Panda's like I need a day where I just like experience virtually no drawdown, and I just like win almost every trade, or at least win the first 2 trades to create a buffer so I get no drawdown today. YL says, thankfully your experience and mental mindset was on point yesterday, Panda. Otherwise, I think you would have gone crazy yelling. Yeah, good thing. I didn't yell at all yesterday. Not one time. Panda's like, I can't tell you. Like, I had like, a trade. Trading day bothers you when like you think about it. I thought about this morning, and I shouldn't be doing that. I shouldn't be like, no reason to cry over spilt milk, right? Like, what happened. And it's just so frustrating yesterday. I was just thinking about how frustrating yesterday's trading was. I shouldn't be doing that, but I was thinking about certain things that happened. Ultimately, I think I have no one to blame but myself, obviously. But yeah, it was just super frustrating. What a frustrating day yesterday of trading. I don't think today is like a particularly good day right now. This is kind of very tricky. I don't see anything good right now. Very, very tricky. As long as we are just going back and forth, it's gonna be hard to find a trade here. We do have a strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart, right? Doji bar, strong bull bar, ending near its high, and if we get follow through here, then this could be a strong uptrend. But for some reason, I feel like the uptrend's not gonna last very long. It's gonna be like a sharp reversal. I've just seen it so many times. Like in the beginning, this could be a strong move to it, but this is gonna have like a very sharp reversal, like extremely sharp. Wow, says build a buffer before you try home runs. Yeah, the thing is, like yesterday, like the trades I was doing, I had zero risk on my trade. Like I was up $3,000, but I cut myself short. I don't know. I cut myself short. I really shouldn't have done what I did yesterday. Like I had zero risk on my trade, so my mind and everything looked so bullish at the particular trade I was in, and when I was long, everything looked so bullish. I just had no reason to get out of my trade. Yet the market kept doing things that were very counter to what was being displayed on the charts. And so I was like, this is super frustrating because it's making me stay in the trade, but at the same time, it's not doing kind of like what it should be doing. I guess like I don't know if there's a should be type thing or let's say it's not doing a thing that it typically does. So it's just like very frustrating when it just kept on retrace. Every single trade just kept retracing and taking me out break even. Literally every single trade. Like basically every single trade did that. It was super frustrating. I was so frustrated. Out of my mind. I think it feels like entry long. If I can get it. Yeah. I mean, we don't break out. The top of this trading range is right here. We don't break out. Problem is, if this is my bar, then I'm going to have a huge risk just to try to trade the trap. Hopefully be better than that. Also think I'm scaling in a little too aggressively. I think I'm scaling in too early. I need more room before I scale in. I'm scaling in like the first entry, and I think I need to like wait a little bit before I scale in. I think that's another mistake I'm making. Feels like entry long. Hopefully we can get it, and I'll go short. Big bar here though, big risk, which is unfortunate. I don't know if I want to take this much risk. Like if this triggers like this, it's like a 16-point risk. Just sitting my pause. I'm not gonna take a trade unless I get the setup. I just refuse to do it. I need a fail second entry long. If it goes down without me, so be it. But I'm gonna wait for my setup here. I refuse to enter trade. I refuse, pandas. Bon voyage. It's okay. I'm feeling ultra patient today. just because I know what's at stake right now. These accounts are basically, it's going to be dead or alive today. That's essentially what I feel like. Today's going to be my day of reckoning. And I'm just like extra, I'm going to be extra patient today. I don't care if it moves without me. I'm going to wait for my setup. If I don't get it, I'm just going to move on and I wait and I wait. Like a sniper, pandas. That's what I'm looking for. Gonna be a sniper today. Okay, decent setup. Decent setup here. Risk is okay. Still a little bit more than I would typically like, but I like the setup a lot here. More risk than I typically would like, but I like the setup here. Okay, 2 bear bars in a row. See, this is what, like when you get 2 strong bear bars in a row like this, it should continue, right? We should have whoa, whoa. All right, it's that easy, pandas. Easy peasy. Like, I love when the trade does that. I love when the trade just goes and you know what's ridiculous about this? I don't actually get out of my trade until right here. Until here, pandas. That means it went all the way through my limit. It came back up and took me out here. That's how bad the fills are with Rhythmic and prop firms. It still took me out. Like, I should have got this as slippage, but really it gave me this exit right here. So bad. Oh my gosh, so dumb. Whatever. Pandas, that's a good way to start. That's a good way to start if you ask me. No? Is that not a good way to start? Probably the best way to start. 25-point scalp right off the bat. And it was read like a book. I read the market like a book. Trading range indicator also telling us almost exactly where it was going to go down. It actually did miss it by a little bit, but almost went down exactly to the bottom of the trading range indicator. Being extra patient today, pandas. Like every trade needs to be just like that one. It just needs to be like supreme setup. S tier setups every time. Golly. Second just short. Good signal bar. Fail second just short. Outside bar reversal. I don't know what's happening here because we're essentially on the 5-minute chart. It's very confusing, right? We broke above it and then we broke beneath it. We closed above it, we closed beneath it. So this is just completely sideways. Thinking maybe a little more room to get to the top of the trading range, but we're already so far up near the top. Like you only really want to take longs near the bottom of the trading range. This is taking a long near the top of the trading range, hoping to get to the top. Ends up working out nicely. Kind of tricky for me. I'm just like, look at the 5-minute chart. It's just big bull bar ending on time, big bear bar ending on low, and gets completely reversed. Big bull bar. This is trading range price action. I mean, what can I say? Give me a second, Pence. My goodness, muted again. Sorry. Sorry, Pandas. I'm all over the place. The transition didn't unmute me. But we're back. Sorry, my trade copier wasn't working. I had to reinstall it. And there's just no way. And in order to reinstall the trade copier, you have to shut down NinjaTrader and bring it back up. So sorry about that. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. So right now we have a big up, big down. Right? Big up, big down, big up. Makes it feel like trading range. We did not keep a close, right? We couldn't close above this high, trading range high. In fact, we rejected off of it. And I'm thinking it's going to come back down, at least a little bit. I don't know. Trading range is always difficult for me to trade, but if we get a reversal set up, I'm just going to go short again. Reversal setup. Where is it? How is it going to look like this time? Okay. I'm thinking trading range until proven otherwise, you know what I mean? Thinking trading range until proven otherwise. Fail second entry long, I gotta take here. I have to take a fail second entry long here. I must take it, in fact. Okay, second entry long, setting up here, right? Second pullback. It didn't quite trigger the second pullback yet. It's always a tick away. Doesn't quite trigger the second pullback. Just watching. Staying above the 20 MA, but very sideways. Okay, inside bar, pretty cool. I'm like okay with not taking another trade all day today if it's gonna be this nonsense. Is this the market cycle for me? I don't know. Are we breaking out now? I'm always suspicious of breakouts. I'm gonna be suspicious of breakouts today. Because it just seems so abundantly clear. This is trading range price action. Big up, big down, big up. It seems so abundantly clear it's trading range price action. But I'm open to be proven wrong. I'm completely open to that. If this starts to have strong bull bars all of a sudden and oh, turtle toes. Good luck, Panda. I'm pretty red today. Sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. Funded or evals? Evals, I'm a little less like concerned because you can reset them pretty cheap. But funded, that's always so painful. Always so painful. Always. It's never easy. It's never not painful. I'm very suspicious of a breakout here. Limit orders galore. It's just slowly breaking above the previous pivot highs and not getting very far with a big retracement afterwards. It's currently spike in channel behavior. This channel is a little bit weird. I'm not exactly sure how to draw this channel. Okay, I got a bull bar ending on its high. Fair enough. I mean, if it breaks out, it's virtually impossible to time it. So since the Buttes text says, always suspicious market after 2 big run-up days, yeah. 2 big bull bars, daily chart. Not only 2, but multiple bull bars. So many bull bars. Grinding again. Now, I mean, this could be a breakout, signs of a breakout. Um, I, I mean, that's like, do you want to see that in a breakout? The strong bull bar ending on its high and then reverses. Like, is that indicative of a strong breakout to you? It isn't to me. It isn't to me. So I'm just gonna wait here patiently. I mean, this could crawl up forever like yesterday, and just no entries. But it is what it is. A little suspicious just because of the beginning price action. Big up, big down, big up. That is very marquee of a trading range day. At least in the beginning, right? First half of the day. Second half, it can change, but first half, like, probably dictated by the first 5 bars of the day, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, pretty much overlapping bars. Usually dictated by the first 5 bars, the first half of the day. Second half can change, right? Market cycle can change second half, but so, I mean, is this what you want to see in a breakout? Again, like now we're coming back in underneath this pivot, like especially this pivot high. Okay. Coming for trend line and 20 EMA. I mean, if it goes up, it goes up. I mean, I'm completely fine with just breaking out. It just doesn't seem like it. And it makes me want to trade a fail second entry long here now. Push this back down. But I will have to say, we are above the 20 MA. We're having a hard time closing beneath it. So even with this kind of big retracement back down, we're clearly above the 20 MA. We've closed above the 20 MA every single time. And we keep making new highs. So, I mean, it looks sus, but that's what the market is doing currently. So I'm just relaying the message. You know what I mean? I'm just relaying the message. Every time it makes a new high, it kind of retraces. Right. Here's like, let's say for instance this high. We broke above it, retraced it. This high, we broke above it, retraces. This high, we did break above it, and it retraces. This high, we broke above it, and most likely gonna retrace. Signs of a pretty much a weak uptrend. I call those negative gaps. Whoops. Actually, are those negative gaps? I think they're called negative gaps. Higher high. Potentially here. Alright, makes a new high. I mean, yeah, I guess we're breaking out. Don't want to go long. The problem is once the breakout's confirmed, it almost feels like it's too late to enter, but we'll see. If this is a strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart, then possibly breakout, and it's kind of going to do something uncommon where we have the beginning that looks like this. The first 5 bars look like this, and then it starts to break out here, right? Strong trend. That is more uncommon, right? That is more rare. This should actually turn into trading range instead. But we're showing signs of breakout. If this bar ends bullish on the 5-minute chart, closing above this high, then you can say this could be a potential breakout, and we're gonna look for a long trade. I'll keep an eye on it. Every time we break a new high, right, we do deep retracements. Keeping an eye on that on another chart. If we're going to close above the previous pivot candle, or the previous candle's high. Okay, we end up closing above the previous candle's high. Barely. But we do. And gets sold right when the bar closes. It's just, again, not a good sign. But we're kind of far away from the trading range, right? Like, here's the trading range. The trading range indicator is still saying we are in the trading range. But, I don't know. Trading range indicator is saying that we still haven't broken out yet. Second entry long. I gotta take the failed second entry long, right? Like, is it not? Like, do I not have to? Isn't that not the case? It's the second entry, the first second entry we've had in this entire series up. We finally get it. It's a strong bear bar. Closing beneath the 20 EMA is crazy. I don't know. Definitely can't go long here. I can try. I don't know. I can try. Yeah, it's looking making new high. It's fine. I missed that trade. I missed that trade 9 out of 10 times. Right, bad signal bar triggering beneath the 20 MA in an uptrend. It is an uptrend, but I missed that trade 9 out of 10 times. I don't take that trade. Right, we're closing. We are underneath the 20 MA with a strong bear bar ending near its low. Like, I'm not going long here, and this could be signs for things to come. I'm not sure how high this is gonna go. I can only go long if this trap fails and we go up high. Now we're doing this nonsense. I don't know if I can go short here either. I'll try, but this is a dumb trade in my opinion. Like, we're still kind of like trend line. The higher low on the 20 EMA is probably better here. It's probably better to go long. Look for a long trade in this situation. Yeah, I'm gonna come up break even if I can here. I'm gonna come up break even if I can here. I don't like it anymore. Target. Yeah, I'm coming up break even here. I think the better trade is actually second entry long coming off the 20 MA and trend line now. I think that's the better setup here. Like, this second entry long actually is better. We're gonna go for this second entry long instead. If we lose this, it's fine. I think it's a good trade. It's coming up for trend line 20 MA in an uptrend. And it basically is a failed trap as well. Okay. I don't think I'm interested any longer because now we're kind of breaking beneath. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. We'll let it go, pandas. We're going to miss this move. It's a sus move. The reason why I didn't like the shorts because actually it was running into the trend line. And I thought maybe I've gotten bit by situations like this before. It ends up pushing down. I might have missed the reversal here. But I think for good reason, just because I was thinking maybe the opposite would be better. I had a better setup waiting on the other side of this. All good. I still don't understand why you move your TP to break even instead of your stop loss line. Ninja Trader, I don't know if it's other platforms. But, ooh, I made some bamboo with that trade. I'll take it. I'm not sure what it is with other platforms. But if you move your stop loss, how do I explain this? Let's say, like, for instance, here, right? And I went short here. If I put my stop loss, like if the candle looks like this, and I put my stop loss right here underneath it, underneath like the high, then Ninja Trader will throw an error. And it kind of messes things up. I have to click out of the error, kind of get rid of the order, move it around, and like it's really annoying. So when it's very time sensitive, I I use my take profit because it will throw an error if you put your stop loss in a place where the price has already passed it. But TP is a take profit. It's a limit order. So if I put my TP here when it's already passed it, it will just close the trade. It will just close it. It will fill the order. That's why. Oh man, this is sus. This is so sus. Whatever. I'll try. I'll just make a little bamboo if I can here. If not, it's all good. I'll just lose this trade. So it is. I think I could try because we're on a trend line and 20 MA. And we take the hit here. All good. Trend line and 20 MA. I figured maybe. What? 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 Wait. Wait, why did I lose so much money there? Whoa, 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 whoa. Something's doubling up. Pandas. 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 Why? Why is everything wrong happening? Why is everything wrong actually happening today? When I reinstalled Replicanto, I had to open a new Replicanto window. But after some time, it actually brought back my old Replicanto. And it doubled up all my trades. So I'm wondering why I'm losing so much money. Oh, pandas, that's really frustrating. I'm sorry. I'm already getting tilted. So many bad things are happening already. So many bad things are happening already. Okay, we should be good now, but it doubled up my copy trading. It doubled up my copy trading. So when I lost that little bit here, I lost like 9 points. I lost actually 18. Oh my gosh, just super frustrating. All right, pandas, we got it. We got it. All right, not gonna think about it. We just keep on trugging along here. And every trade, all that matters is your next trade. Getting very choppy here. It looks good, right? It looks like a good long trade to take here with this good bull bar. But it's actually very sideways, going in and out of 20 MA. I feel like everything's pitted against me and I'm doomed to fail. I feel like everything's pitted against me and I'm basically doomed to fail and bust these accounts. Like, what can go wrong has gone wrong. It's like Murphy's Law. Everything that could go wrong will go wrong, and that's what's happening. And I just feel like that's what's happening to me right now. And there's just like no way to escape it. Like I'm just doomed to fail right now. Everything that could go wrong is going wrong, and need to trade copier. Like, why didn't the window pop up earlier? It popped up later. I had to open a new. Oh my gosh. I'm like doomed to fail. I'm pretty certain doomed to fail here. I'm doomed to fail. All right, reset. Okay, we're breaking out. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 5-minute chart. OI pattern breaking to the upside. This could be a strong breakout. I was trying to go long here, takes me out, and then it finally goes up the way I thought it was gonna go. Unfortunate. Again, right? Everything that could go wrong goes wrong. Right? I went long here, but it takes me out, then goes long. I mean, what can you do? Everything that could go wrong is gonna go wrong today. I feel it, bandas. It's already starting. Whoo! All right, let's calm down. Calm down. It will not affect your next trade. How about that? Your next trade is gonna be beautiful. All started with, for some reason, trade copier wasn't working. I had to reinstall it. And then when I reinstalled it, it doubled up all my trades. It doubled up my trade copying. And then I just happened to lose the very next trade. And so that's why it just took like a huge, like I was like, why am I down, 300 on my other accounts? What in the world? I have to have very little drawdown on my next trade. Let's get it, pandas. High or low? Is it time for just taking high or low trades right now? We'll see. Probably going to break this high. Okay, broke this high. Can we close above this high? I don't know. Can't close above the high. Strange. Strange indeed. Blue sky prop? Nah. I've heard of it, but I'm not going to do it. I don't like. I think it's like they're based in like Europe or something. Keeps trickling up. Keeps trickling up. First entry again. You know my setup. Second entry long, 20 EMA. Golly, pandas. Like, why? I go long here. I lose this trade. And then it goes up the way I thought it was going to go. And my losses were doubled. Like, it is what it is. All right, pandas. All right. No reason to cry over spilt milk. Let's move on. Moving forward. First entry off the 20 EMA and trend line. Is this a good trade after 2 bear bars in a row? Probably not. So we're going to watch this go without us. If it does make a strong move. Okay, signal bar. But I'm telling you, my next trade, I want it to be golden. I want it to be S tier. Is this an S tier trade? I would say far from it. Fail second entry long, I think, would be S tier here. Let's take that fail second entry long. I'll take. Just watching. Okay, second pullback trigger is beneath the 20 MA. This is primed for a fail second entry long. Currently primed for it. 2 bear bars underneath the 20 MA. You can find an entry here if you'd like. Just go short right here. But I'm going to just wait for my setup. Yeah, see, people just went short after the 2 bear bars closing beneath the 20 MA here. And that's your give up bar. It does come back up. I mean, it might give me my setup. Who knows? I highly doubt it. Probably gonna miss this move, but it's all good. I'd rather just wait for a good setup, wait for my trade, and that's all. Like, that's best I can do right now. So I have no excuses, right? If I lose, I lose. I just have no excuses. I don't want any excuses if I lose my next trade. We're in a short here. We lose immediately. Right, we lose within the same bar, which is unfortunate. Like the moment it ticks in, it just reverses. But at least we're not doubling up our losses. That's good. You gotta start somewhere. You gotta start somewhere. I'll take that hit. That's fine. I will take that hit. I shall take that hit. I mean, it was like setting itself up for the fail second entry. Strong bull bars. Can you go short here ever? Not really. Not like that. Can you go short here ever? Not like that. Alright. Breaks the previous pivot high, then deep retracement. It's what we're seeing all day. It does like, you know, like why does that even have to trigger me in here by a tick? I've been noticing with Apex, they always give you a 1 tick bad fill. A 1 tick bad fill. They always give that to you. It's pretty terrible. On a limit order, it's giving you a 1 tick bad fill. It doesn't make any sense to me. I mean, this is flying. Whatever. Like, look at the 5-minute chart. My next trade has to have virtually zero drawdown. My next trade has to have virtually zero drawdown. My goodness. Whatever. I don't know. Look at the 5-minute chart. Look how choppy it is. Look at this. Like, untradeable. Unfortunate. Just so unfortunate. I'm thinking of if I'm making a Frankenstein of prop firms, I'm definitely gonna use TPT as one of them. I may use day traders. Trustpilot seems to be okay. And they allow 15 accounts. I just gotta look deeper into it and figure out what are the details of their rules and, you know, their payout system. I need to figure all that out. Bull bar after bull bar after bull bar. And look at the 5-minute candle. Look at this candle. This is what it reversed. Completely overlapping, right? Every single bar is overlapping each other on the 5-minute candle. That means bulls are making money, bears are making money. Stay away from day traders. Why? Please tell me why. I mean, I guess it's a monster uptrend, but golly, all right. Jeez Louise. I'm not going long here. That's crazy. But people did. People did go long there. Not me. Kind of what I said, like, this 5-minute, once you had these two bull bars here, it may signal a breakout. It did end up breaking out, but in what way? And it just did it in the most unusual way. I don't know. Say from day traders, they're not that transparent on their rules. Okay. I will keep that in mind. Yeah, that's why I like TPT. Like literally no consistency rules. I mean, like how am I supposed to even chart this now? What am I looking at? What is this wobbly wobbly? It's wobbly wobbly. Unsure how to chart this. I mean, I had a channel, but now it's like it's all over the place on the channel. I'll have to redraw this channel. How about like that? Yeah. Okay, that was fair. I think it's a fair drawing of this channel currently. Second entry long, floating in midair, top of a channel. Jeez. It's like the most frustrating thing because it literally has to tick you in and reverses like that. Like, if it's gonna reverse like this, why does it even have to tick you in one tick? Why not have to even enter that trade? So frustrating. It is what it is. It's gonna grind. I don't know. Can I salvage these accounts? What's my threshold on my lowest account right now? What's my lowest threshold? I'm curious. From the quick looks, quick maths. $1,300. Maybe 1,300 is my lowest. Around 1,300 is my lowest. I reloaded historical and yeah, it is what it is. Trading range indicator on the 5-minute has officially said this bar. Now we have broken out of our trading range with this bar here. It's official. Trading range is completely broken. Second entry long again. It's just trickling upwards. Very hard to trade in my opinion. Whew. Failed second entry long, I guess. Has anyone tried fast track trading? I was thinking about that the other day. I actually looked into creating a prop firm because I was just like, I've been trading prop firm for so long. I know exactly what I would like, and I think I know what's fair. And I actually thought about fast track trading, and just how ridiculous it was. I just thought about fast track trading, and I was like, this is so ridiculous. Just like what they were trying to do. Even the name, fast track trading, and then you know what gave it away? Why I knew it was gonna be a scam or just like unsustainable. They were .net. They weren't even .com. They were a .net firm. They had a fast track trading .net. It's not even .com. And I was like, you can't even afford a .com domain. Forget about it. Just forget about it. I don't know if there's any setups here. I'm not sure when it will happen, but right now this is not it for me. This is not it. High or low? Could push up. Strong bull bar any on high gets reversed immediately. Gotta love that. Gotta love when it does that nonsense. Retraces a little bit. Pops up now. I mean, I'm not taking any of these trades. This is ridiculous. Daily chart. Starting to print a strong bull bar. May just get to the top of the trading range, but even trading range indicator said the trading range stopped after this huge move to the downside. It basically broke the trading range. But we're coming right back up to it, so. Is it another one of those days just go long anywhere? You make money. Keeps making new highs. I'm fine. Like, couldn't trade this any other way. If I'm looking for like a S plus setup, like this is not it anywhere in here. It's a tight channel. Only way you trade this is with limit orders. And even the limit orders are barely making bamboo here. I need a win on my next trade. I just need a win. I just need a dub. I just need a dub. And I'm back. I just need a dub. Second entry long off the 20 MA and trend line, sure, I'll try. But other than that, I'm not sure I'm going to take any of the trade. Second entry long off the trend line, 20 MA. This is my setup, I guess. Gross. It's gross. Grinding. Notice on the 5-minute chart, we have not broken a previous candle's low since the third candle. No candles broken a previous. I went short right here, thinking we're gonna break. Right, I actually went short right there, and that's this short right here, the same short. I thought we were gonna break beneath, but we didn't. It just like blasted off. It's crazy. Crazy. I don't know. I'm just waiting for something more reliable here. Everything seems like a low probability trade at this point. Another day that just feels very untradeable. Like, what's my entry here? What's my entry here, Panda's? Like, really? What's my entry? I don't have an entry here. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Okay, cool. Am I trying to go long? Second entry long off the 20 MA trend line? Sure, I guess. The most disgusting price action. What is this, like 20,000 days in a row? Right, like how are you going long anywhere here? It's just very difficult. They got two strong bear bars ending on their lows. We actually do an overshoot of this channel. Three bear bars ending on their lows. Four bear bars ending on their lows in a row. Okay. Can't trigger the first entry here. There it is. Triggers the first entry. I mean, when you get 4 bear bars in a row, you're thinking a little bit of follow through. You're thinking there might be some follow through here. 4 bear bars in a row ending on their lows. I mean, okay. But no follow through after that. Big reversal here. I don't know, Pandas. Am I going long right here? Are you going long right there? I don't know. You're better than me if you are. I don't know. I don't know what I'm waiting for. Amazing. Just keeps going up. 4 bear bars in a row ending on their lows. It just gets folded. Very cool. Without follow through on that. That's cool, right? That makes sense, right? That makes sense to me. Also trading range here. Starting to develop. Big down, big up. Double top. Cool. Okay. So the 4 strong bear bars in a row does get follow through. Only after a retracement double top here. It looks like it's breaking down, but I need to set up. Golly. Why like this? Why like this? It's ugly, and I hate it. But here I am, trying. It's ugly and I hate it, but here I am trying. Thoughts and prayers. Okay, takes me out break even. Second entry long on the 2500 tick chart right off the 20 MA. I just go long here. The risk is ginormous. 26-point risk. I'm gonna take a failure, but it's a good long to take actually. It's a decent long to take. It's a decent long to take actually. Maybe with a higher low, I may go long. Let's see. It's a decent long to take, to be honest. It's a decent long. What can I say? Doesn't give me my higher low, so I can't go in. All right, it misses my higher low by like 2 ticks. Right, if it triggered this and went back up, I would have gone long. But it missed it by a tick or 2. Look at the 5-minute chart. This bear bar gets folded, showing so many limit order trades. The bulls are in full control. They see this and they just scoff and say thanks for the cheaper price. We're going long. What's the chart I'm using? Ninja Trader or NQ? Not sure what you're asking. $500 tick, top right of your screen. 500 tick NQ. Whoa, mine ticks, minutes ticks. That's crazy. I don't know what you're saying, but that sounded cool. Interesting. Higher low. Good signal bar for the higher low. Thinking, all right, testing the top here. 2 bull bars in a row. Big down, big up. All day, big down, big up. It's ticks. Top right of your screen, tick count. You can see what I'm using. I also use a 5-minute chart. But you can see the top right of your screen what chart I'm looking at. NQ. Nasdaq. Futures trading. That's what we're doing. We're trading the future. What in the world is happening here? Do I even want to go long here? Okay. Potential to go long. I most likely will lose. I'm going to go long in an uptrend, and I'm probably going to lose. Because everything that could go wrong will go wrong today. And here we go. I'm good. Outside bar reversal. Just sitting on my pause now. Do not like outside bar reversals, especially in sus situations. I don't know how many times I have to say a 500 tick charts top right of your screen. You can see it. How many times do I have to tell you? Okay. 4 overlapping bars in a row. 3 overlapping bars here. What's happening? I don't like anything here. If it breaks out, breaks out. I'm just I don't love it, so whatever. And what kind of name is this? Queet Gaming. I don't know if you're trying to spell Quest Gaming or if you misspell Quiet Gaming or if you really just meant Queet Gaming. I'm not sure what it means. What does your name mean? I think that's more confusing than what chart I'm using. What kind of name is that? Speedy Boy, welcome. I should just be trading oil, huh? Right, 4 overlapping bars in a row prevents me from entering long here. Top of a trading range, potential trading range. I guess if this was a trading range, it would probably look more like this at this point. Sure. Sure. Why not? No, I want to do a trade I love. If I'm gonna end these accounts, I want to do a trade that I love. You know what I mean, pianist? Like it has to be a trade that I absolutely love. Wow. Yeah, you definitely misspelled it either way. My son. Your son's name's Queet. Queet. I'm sorry for making fun of your son's name. I just didn't think that's a name. I'm not very familiar with names like that, so I didn't mean to make fun of the name. I thought, it just seemed like you wanted to say Quest Gaming or Quiet Gaming. Or somehow you misspelled Queen because I see a little crown in your picture. So I don't know. Those are only relations my brain had. So I'm just like, I had to make my best educated guess. I didn't mean to make fun. No disrespect. Sorry. All right, high or low? Isn't that a character in Moby Dick? I wouldn't know. I never read the book. I typed in Moby Dick Queet and it didn't. Nope. Nothing to do with Moby Dick. I don't know why I even tried. I don't know why I even tried. I don't know why I even searched that. Now my search history has that in the search history for all time. And Google will start recommending me things. Okay. It's just hard for me to go long. Hard for me to go short. I don't know. I thought certainly this would like have a reversal sometime soon because of this trading range price action. And this big down, big up again. I thought this would also have trading range price action, but it's just not happening. Big down, big ups. Q kick. That's a Moby Dick. Q kick. Oh, that's not how you spell the name, but yeah. The name is Q Quick. Yes. Also, Qui and Q Quick is very different. That's also a very strange name. What a name. I never read Moby Dick. I don't know what's about. I just know it's about a big whale, and Captain Morgan tries to kill it or something. Someone give me a quick synopsis of what the book's about, and its deeper symbolism. Quick in the chat, please, someone. TLDR, you know what I mean? Yeah, Captain Morgan. I'm pretty sure it's Captain Morgan. I don't even care. I'm looking for a short trade. Even though this is blasting up to the outside, I'm looking for a short trade right now, pandas. Call me crazy. She never goes short on a day that looks like this. I'll tell you that much. I think these are the worst days for me. Grindy trend days. Grindy trend days, and the last like 3 days have been that. No entries. We keep making new highs, but I got no entries. All first entries. I just want 1 second entry to make. Pandas, let me show you. I'm waiting for a second entry. And all of this, there's not been one second entry off the 20 EMA. Sorry, this one with a terrible signal bar at the top of the channel. It's the only second entry we've gotten all day. Second entries are... also, I said this was a good trade. The second entry long, but the problem is the risk was huge on that. Quite large. 26 points. But good trade, right? Strong uptrend, good signal bar. I wanted to take it on a higher low, but it kind of just started like blasting off. I wanted the higher low right here, but I mean, you get it right here, but still, I don't know. I know the moment I go long, this is gonna reverse like hard. I should go long one account, like on a sim account, and go short on my actual accounts. Green is green. I would be in great shape if my trade copier didn't like get all messed up today. I mean, great shape. My trade copper didn't get all jacked up. Like, am I going long here, Pandas? Is that like the best trade I could possibly have here? Going long? Let's go long here. Make bamboo. Makes a new high. I mean, we keep making new highs. What can I say, Pandas? What can I say? Am I going long there? I don't think so. How desperate do you have to be just to go long anywhere? All of this is already grinding at the top of this channel. We had a big up, big down, big up, thinking possible trading range, but nope. I mean, I can't go long on top of these channels here. Even though we're going up, I just can't go long here. I may end the day. I may end the stream just because this price action is terrible again. No second entries, just... I don't know. I don't even know what this is. Second entry? Is it possible? We get one single second entry in the last hour and a half. One tradable second entry long. Is it possible? Oh. Drum roll. Wow, we got a second pullback. Amazing. Amazing. Now let's get a bounce off the trend line in 20 EMA with a good signal bar. That's all I need. Then we are golden here. Okay, touches our trend line and 20 EMA. Pretty sure this is where it's going to reverse on me, but I'm going to go long anyways. Pretty sure this is where it's going to reverse on me. I'm going to go long anyways. The whole market's going to reverse right here, but I'm going to go long. 20 EMA, trend line. It's the first second entry long we've had all day. Okay, we're going beneath the 20 EMA, so I can't take this anymore. We're going beneath our trend line, so it's no longer viable. You ask yourself, is this a good place to find a fail second entry long? Could be. Get back to the bottom of this channel. I can try that. We also haven't touched the 20 EMA yet on the 5-minute chart. Okay. Just watching. I can't go long here because of breaking beneath the trend line, beneath the 20 EMA, bad signal bar. So I can't go long there. Can't go short here because you're above the 20 EMA. Just watching. Yeah, I mean, what can you do? This is a second entry long, first one. Probably the most viable one, but too many red flags for me. 5-minute has not touched the 20 EMA yet all day. And it makes new high. Very cool. I mean, ends up being a good trade to take. How many points is that? 17-point trade? Not bad. It just didn't fit. It didn't fit the criteria. Spike, channel, breaks beneath the channel, bad signal bar, right at the 20 EMA. I don't know. Confusing. Just watching, Panis. Having a slight reversal here, but this channel can cause problems for bears. And it's one leg down, no entry, so it's like you can't even get in if you try it. Like, I'd like to go short, but no pullbacks all the way down, so what can you do? Just watch it. The first pullback here. It's right off the 20 EMA on the 2500 tick. I guess I'll need a second entry short. I don't think I'm taking a first entry here. Even though this warrants another push to the downside, I'll look for a second entry. Still got 2 bull bars in a row. Right here as well. I guess I'll try here. We'll see. I'm not sure what to make of this. Second entry short here. Okay. Okay. A little far away from 20 MA if I take it down here. Hmm. Terrible signal bar. Coming back into the channel, which is the problem here now. It's ugly. I'll try, whatever. I don't love it. I don't love it, but I'll try. Not breaking the high of that. So at least it didn't enter me in the trade in the reverse. I prefer it's happening now like this, so I don't even enter the trade. I mean, hitting the bottom of the channel and coming back up, right? Breaking beneath it and coming back up into it. I don't know how you even do this. I don't know. Am I trying to go short or am I trying to go long? I guess I'm trying to go long. I don't know. This push down so strong, you're thinking it warrants another push to the downside. But on the 5-minute chart, literally, there hasn't been 2 consecutive bear bars in a row at all today, ever. Oh boy. Double topping here? Perhaps? Wow, that's a bar reversal. No thank you. Not sure what's happening here. Does trigger the fail second to short, but what? No follow through, right? Just reverses actually. Triggers and reverses. When you trigger and reverse, it's usually a bad sign. Usually a bad sign. But hey, I push up again here. Who knows? Interesting. Interesting. Second entry low, I guess. Oh gosh. What is happening right now? Okay. This is all this is clustered like crazy. This is a big old clustered. I don't want to say it, but you know what I want. You know what I want to say. You know what I want to say. This is a big old CF right here. You know what I want to say. I can't say it. It's a big CF right here. It's, messed up. The second entry long here makes a 1 to 2 risk reward with that pop up. I mark it because it could be a target where bulls are looking for and may start to sell. Yeah. Like, I can't go long down here. I mean, am I supposed to go long down here? I guess I am. I mean, do I just go long somewhere and just like get like 2 points or something? Is that the strategy today? Just get like 2 points, go long somewhere, get 2 points. Keeps making new highs. It hasn't stopped yet. Every bear bar has been reversed. Big bear bar reverse, bear bar reverse, bear bar reverse, bear bar reverse, bear bar reversed. Every single time. $2,500 tick chart, literally limit orders waiting on the 20 EMA here, making big money. Meanwhile, 5 minute hasn't touched a 20 EMA one time. Literally hasn't touched it all day. Even with this pullback, it hasn't even touched it here. Got close but didn't touch. So just watching. Second entry long, going long. If I see it, I don't care. Just gonna go long, whatever. At this point, you're just gonna assume it's just never gonna come back down, I guess. I should go long every first entry, shouldn't I? Golly. Looking for a new high. And almost makes a new high. And makes... I think that is not a new high. That is not a new high. Okay, second pullback. Pretty sure when I go long here, this is going to reverse. I'm going to get this blown up. Pretty sure the first long I take, it's going to reverse on me. Pretty sure if I go long here, I lose this trade 10 out of 10 times. Second entry long, terrible signal bar. Doesn't touch any supports, just going sideways. Second pause. Makes a new high. Ah. Maybe you guys are doing better than me. I'm curious to see. How is your trading today? Bad. Okay. Good. Great. How are y'all doing today? I would say I'm doing like bad just because I'm literally just staring at this, doing nothing. Rough, man. This is rough. I'm telling you. What a rough day. Insanely rough day today. It's nothing. I think this is just nothing to trade here, in my opinion. This is unbearable. That's coming from a bear. Whew. Oh, some of you guys are doing great. Which is good. Happy for you. Cool. Cool. I mean, I guess I could look for pennies. I could scout for some pennies here. If we get another new high right now, I'm going to lose it. I'm just going to end the stream. Just trickling up, making new highs of days. My goodness. My goodness. My goodness, man. Oh. I don't know. What do you do here? If I made a perfect entry on this trade, a perfect exit, I would have made 14 points. Very cool. Oh, golly. Very cool. Cool stuff. Completely overlapping bars. Doji bar, doji bar. I don't know. Might as well just shut it down. Maybe it's good. Maybe it's good I'm not entering any trades because maybe it's not a good day for me to trade today. Just knowing what had happened earlier. Okay. I mean, good luck trading this. I mean, jeez Louise, this is brutal. It's actually brutal. Good luck trading this. Good luck, my friends. Good luck. Jesus said, what would you say the most friendly proffer in the past and get payouts? The past, I guess, is still Apex. Right, zero consistency rules. But for payouts, not so great. TPT is like 50% consistency rule on the eval and no consistency rules on the funded account. So that's can't get better than that. Big push down. Doesn't mean much. Big push down, reverses. Big push down, reverses. Doesn't mean much. I do not know, pandas. I simply do not know. What can I say? Casey Clay, thanks for subscribing. My goodness. I appreciate it. Slowly, the subscriber count is climbing. Ooh. Low or high? Is it possible, pandas? Is this the trade we've been waiting for all day? Is this it, pandas? Is this the one? Let's find out. Fail second entry long. Where are you? Whoop. Whoop. Couldn't quite get there. Couldn't quite get there. I'm going to try anyways. Whatever. Let's try. Couldn't quite get there, but we're going to try anyways here. Failed to trigger the setup. Missed it by 2 ticks. Close enough for me. Let's try. Bear bar ending on low. Long time coming, hopefully. Let's see. Whoop. Should have waited, maybe. Should have waited. Bear bar ending on low, thinking that would be like some sort of sign. We got bear bar ending on low here. Darn, I guess I should have waited. Unfortunate. It's very unfortunate. I mean, you got a bear bar ending on low here. I'm just gonna try. Failed to hit. Failed to trigger the setup. Just gonna try anyways. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's find out. Let's find out. Looks like we lost. I tried. I sure really did try here. That's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. Yeah, we get hit. Big time. Real unfortunate here. I mean, it's really unfortunate. It is what it is, though. A little bit confused what's happening. but okay. Okay, still in this trade somehow. Still in this trade somehow, I think. I think I'm in this trade. I'm not sure what's going on right now. Maybe I should came out break even. I don't know. Yeah, I guess I should came out break even. I mean, I saw second entry short. Pretty good signal bar. Looking for at least a new low there. Not looking for a reversal here, and it's all good if it reverses. I think I gotta try though. I think I gotta try right here. Yeah. I mean, I hold. It's fine. You got a good signal bar. That's a good trade to go short against. Breakdown retest. And if you lose here, you lose. And yeah, I mean, it's a darn shame, but wow, I'm still alive somehow. It's a darn shame, but if you lose, right? What can you do? You try your best. You try your best. That's all you got. And I mean, sure. If it goes down one more time, I'm going short here, but let's see. I'm pretty sure I'm dead. Pretty sure I lose this trade 9 out of 10 times. It's a bull bar, any on its high, and I lose that trade 9 out of 10 times. Panda's like, I cannot win a trade. Cannot win a trade. I mean, if it looks like this, Panda's like, I'm looking for a new low at the very least. At the very least, I'm looking for a new low, and if we don't get it, I don't get it. And yeah, I don't know. I'm just I'm assuming I'm gonna bust these accounts today. That's what I'm assuming. So either you live or you die. Only two options today. Ride or die. Ride or die. It's a shame. Takes you up by a tick. If it does go down here, it is what it is. What can you do? Like, if it goes down here, it is what it is. It's just like I'm not going to try to go down again. I'm not trying to go short again. When even if it's a great signal bar, like I've already got burned with a good signal bar. You got to try there, Pandas. Like, if you're not going to try there, when will you try? You know what I mean? If you're not going to try there, when will you try? That's what I'm trying to say. Golly, it's tough. If you're not going to try there, when will you try? The answer is never. Tough. Tough, tough, tough. Yeah, look at that. Right, another good signal bar to go short gets absolutely reversed. What can you do about it? What can you do about that? I had to try, you know. I had to try. I think it was worth a shot. I thought it was worth a shot. Am I still looking for a short trade? I don't even know. I honestly don't even know. I'm still looking for a short trade here. It's above the 20 EMA. Why would I ever short here? Big bull bar on the outside. Yep. It's kind of like the place where it should have gone down. If it doesn't, then it's going to have a strong reversal back up. It's tough, rough. I don't know. It's tough, rough, and enough. You know what I mean? Tough, rough, and might be enough. All good. I mean, we had that debacle in the morning with the trade copier doubling up my losses, and ever since then, I already knew like I was gonna have a hard time today. Real hard time today. Is blasting off. Very cool. Never seen anything like it before, but here we are. Absolutely sick price action, right? No multiple bear bars in a row. Maybe that's what I should have waited for. And strong bear bars, right? And they get bought up immediately. What can I do here? I don't know. At this point, probably trading range. I don't know. I keep thinking it's going to trading range because it's good to do big down, big up, and then it just keeps going up. And I just sit here staring at the charts doing nothing. Truly, this is what trading looks like sometimes. Very hard to trade days like today, in my opinion. At least for me. Maybe it's just like, just go long whenever you can. Just don't think about it. Just go long. Strong bear bar. Go long. Who cares? Oversold, overbought. Doesn't matter. Just go long. I should have just gone long. I should have just gone long. My goodness. It's like never in my life would I just go long right here. I wouldn't just ever just go long right here, and that's the problem. I obviously need to have a strategy that I just go long right here for no reason whatsoever. I need a strategy. I go long in this situation. I need a strategy, pandas. I need a strategy that does that because that's what's happening today. My goodness. You know, that keeps tricking me because like you have these huge pushes down. It just reverses. Huge push down, reverses back up, right? Like you're thinking this warrants another leg down. Huge push down, reverses back up. It keeps doing that to me. It keeps tricking me. And because I'm bearish. Like, not bearish, but I'm looking for a short trade. I'm not actually bearish. But I'm just looking for a short trade, pull back to the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. That's kind of what I'm looking for. And we're not getting anything of the sort. I mean, do I just go long here, pandas? Do I just go long here? I'll scalp by 3 points. I don't even care. I'll scalp 3 points. I don't care. I'm going long. I just want to see a little bit of green. I want to see what green looks like again. I forget. I'm literally going to scalp like 5 points maybe. I just want to know what it feels like to win again, pandas. And I'm just going to go long here. And watch me lose miserably here. Buying literally probably the last push up. I'm probably going to buy the very tippity top of this bull trend. Watch. It's going to reverse on me like a freaking knife. Just watch. Golly. Whoo! So many tricks. So many tricks. I should have gone along just to see what it feels like to win again. I should have just gone long right there. Just to know what it feels like to win. I should have just gone long there. Golly. Trading range maybe. We actually might make a trading range after a big up, big down, big up. Maybe. We haven't seen one yet. Basically, the 5-minute chart has been trading range price action all day. But the trading range is this channel. Like, it's this channel here all day, and it's a very small channel. If I turn that sideways, it would look like this, like this, the same width, maybe like this. We'll say same width here. Here, I can maybe measure like this. That's your width. Sideways. 50 points. Oh my gosh. I forget what it is to win a trade. I forget what it's like, pandas. Can someone kindly remind me what it's like to win a trade again? I completely forgot what it is to win. I completely forgot what it's like to win again. Can someone kindly remind me? Whew. Hasn't touched the 20 EMA one time on the 5-minute chart. Not even once. Literally hasn't touched it today. I'm telling you. Hasn't touched it one time today. It hasn't touched it one single time yet. It just made a new high again. It just made a new high again. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm just watching this. Right, it's expanding pattern. I think I'm done for today. I've lost every single trade. Except the first trade. And that wasn't even copied over to all my other accounts. Only my losers were copied. And the first loss was doubled. I mean, talk about, Murphy's Law. Where a back can happen, will happen. How do you trade days like today? Now 500, it's not the worst. Unfortunately, I'm down like 1,000 on my other accounts. I just want to win one trade, man. I was like, can I just leave today with a dub somewhere? Expanding pattern, making it impossible to know which joy is going to break out. Brutal, Pan. It's brutal. This is brutal. Okay. Just stay away from this. I'll tell you what. From all my experience of trading, I'll tell you this: do not trade this. If you see something like this, do not trade it. And that's the lesson for today. My gosh, my gosh, my goodness. I mean, Panda's like, look, come on. Come on. Come on. When you see that, you gotta like try, right? You have to try and let this cook, right? You gotta let it cook. If I see that, I gotta let it cook, and then, wham! I mean, I just took the appropriate stop loss whenever. Fails like an entry long up here, I'll take. Whatever, I don't care. I'll take a fails like entry long up here. We get it. Be my last trade of the stream. Fails like an entry long. I'll take it right here. If it's a second entry long and it breaks above this high, I'm done. Completely sideways price action, Pandas. Like, you just, please be safe. Bear bar on the 5-minute chart printing. OI pattern. Don't know. Triggers the OI pattern to the downside. Give me a fails like entry long. I'll take. I really want to wait this time. Can I wait? I don't know if I can wait. I may just go short soon. See, I can't. It's too late. Like, I wanted the fails like entry long. Never got it. I made the mistake here, not waiting for it, and I got punished. And here, I didn't get in when I possibly could have. Maybe here, short here, or short here. And getting punished by missing the trade. So either way, get punished. Punished both ways. Miss a trade or lose a trade. But whatever it is, I always get the worst end of it. Okay, maybe. Nope. Maybe. Bull bar. Trigger above. 1 tick. Last trade of stream. Trigger above 1 tick. 1 time. Possibly. Trigger above 1 tick. 1 time. 1 time. Give me my setup. 1 time. If you don't give it to me, I'm just going to go short. It's not giving it to me. I'm going short. I don't care. It's not giving it to me. I don't care. Go short. Doesn't give it to me still. There it is. I mean, one time. It's a small risk. 5-point risk. I really don't like this bull bar. Very suspicious. Very suspicious. Very suspicious here. Very suspicious. Or possibly just doing an expanding pattern here. Golly, what am I? Guess I should go long. Top of the trading range. I should have just done that. What was I thinking? I'm such a fool. I'm such a fool. Of course I should just go long right here. To the back to the top of the trade. Of course. What was I thinking? I'm an idiot. So stupid. Of course I should just gone long right here. What in the world am I saying? Okay. Last attempt. And it's the worst one yet. It's definitely the worst one yet. Yep. Oh, I'm in. I am in. I'm in a not such a good position here. Okay. I got some bamboo off the rip, at least. And gonna get taken out break even pretty immediately, I feel like. Okay. Shall I let it cook is the question. No. If it's gonna reverse like that on me, do I really want to let it cook? If it gives me a strong bear bar, any odds low, and it reverses all the way back up, do I really want to see what happens? It just looks more like a failed breakout. But it does take me out break even perfectly, and it seems like it may come back down. We'll see. If we get a second inch short, I guess I'll try one more time. Last attempt. Last attempt of anything here. Oh, forget about it, man. That is ugly. Man, I'm done. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Hopefully these accounts will still be alive, but we shall see. As always, I'm trading up best. Stay safe. This is the worst price action ever. History of mankind, so please trade accordingly. I'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, I'm trading up best. Bye.